welcome back to my channel. And for those who are tuning in for the first time, my name is Mari and I am going over week 3 of my weight loss. So I actually ended up losing that 1 pound to meet my 167 goal for last week. I started working out again on Saturday. Sorry, was it Saturday? Yeah, on Saturday. So I worked out Saturday, Sunday, and Monday because I had all 3 days off, which is really rare for me. And I ended up having a back-to-back panic attacks because I'm used to working all the time. I can't remember the last time I had a 3-day weekend. It was probably like over 2 years ago. So it was a very hard adjustment for me. I mean, I had a really hard time with it. But I don't know what, I really don't know the point of that 3-day weekend. I am so backed up with work right now. So when I get in, I'm just going to tackle everything that I possibly can. It's going to be a really long day today. But so yeah, this week I didn't meet the goal for this week, which was 165. And I'm assuming, like, I was doing some reading because I'm like, I can't understand why my weight's the same, you know, like, but apparently if you haven't worked out for some time and you start working out again, your body gets inflamed and retains water, which makes a lot of sense because even though I didn't budge on my weight, I did budge on my inches. So the total that I've actually lost in inches since January 1st till now is 3.5 inches all over my body. It's 1 inch at my chest, 0.75 inches at my waist, and sorry, not my chest, it's not my chest, it's actually 1.5 inches, and I meant to say my hips is 1 inch. So right now my measurements are at 40.75 at my chest, 30.25 at my waist, and 40.75 at my hips. So I'm actually really happy with those results for now. I'm really hoping that after this week of just continuing on working out, maybe my body will start releasing that extra water weight that I am retaining, because it's still adjusting to actually working out again. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this week. Oh, failures. I would say my only failure I had this week was yesterday. Well, this past week was yesterday because I had chips. And my mistake was going to the market hungry because I couldn't figure out what to do for breakfast. So I was just like, oh, I'm just gonna go buy avocado and eggs, and I'll have I already have salmon that's I cooked the night before, and then I'll just throw some veggies in the pot to steam. So I went into the market with that intention, and then I don't know, I ended up buying a bunch of stuff I didn't need because I was starving. So I came back with like ham, pickles, hummus, chips, granola. And now that I'm looking back at it, I'm like, why did I get that stuff? I'm like, but you know, it is what it is. And yeah, so that is it for this week's weight loss video. I really do hope that I'm able to meet 165 by next week, and my main goal is to meet 163 by the end of the month. So that is 4 more pounds. So like I said, at this point I've only lost 4 pounds and 3.5 inches? I think I said 3.5 inches, right? All over my body. And yeah, this is gonna take some time, but you know, I'm just hoping I'm able to lose enough. I'm hoping to lose weight to meet my goal by my birthday. I will be happy if I lose 20 pounds by my birthday, which is in April. And I am actually going to New Orleans to celebrate my 30th birthday. So I'm super excited about that because I love that city so much. And I can't wait because my brother and my best friend will be going with me. So, which should be interesting. Let's see if I don't murder one of them, because holy crap, I can't even imagine both of them together. Now that I'm thinking about it, it sounds like a nightmare. And not because they wouldn't get along. I think they would get along. And I will be babysitting them while they drink. And I won't even be able to enjoy my birthday. But, you know, regardless, it'll be fun. And I'm so excited to share going to New Orleans with both of them, because I'm very close to my little brother, and my best friend, he's always just down for any crazy idea that I have. Like if I want to go somewhere to dinner, or if I want to go to do a trip, he always just likes doing what I like, because we have pretty similar personalities. It's really weird. I always say he's the guy version of me, only he's a little bit more social, which is like works out for both of us, because I'm more serious and more structure, and he's just more social. But I think he also, like, he makes me see different things, that like if I'm missing something. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe this video, and remember to like and subscribe to my okay, let me do that again. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will post a new video next week. And hopefully, let's see what results I have then. All right, bye.